Parrots prefer peach and apple pies. Welcome to Broken English on Fluent American, where we take a look at one sound and study how to pronounce it by looking at spelling, word pairs, and practice sentences. My name is Jeff, and today we're looking at the P sound. P like in peach. Peach. To make the P sound from the letter P, you want to press your lips together and then release. P, P. This is a voiceless sound, so your throat will not vibrate. Let's now take a look at this sound in a couple of different situations. Pest, pest. Put, put. Pain, pain. Port, port. Pool, pool. Pests pushed pears into the pit. Pests pushed pears into the pit. Approach, approach. Apple, apple. Important, important. Appetizer, appetizer. Hoping, hoping. Respond, respond. Helpful, helpful. Approach the apples hopefully. Approach the apples hopefully. Lamp, lamp. Rope, rope. Worship, worship. Antelope, antelope. Mop, mop. Tarp, tarp. The antelope can worship the mop. The antelope can worship the mop. Some language groups confuse the P sound, like in pie, with the B sound of buy. The only difference is that for P, there is no vibration in your throat, and for B, there is vibration in your throat. So again, P versus B. Let's compare these in some words. Pie, buy. Pie, buy. Mop, mob, mop, mob. Pest, best. Pest, best. Pass, bass. Pass, bass. I bite a piece of blueberry pie and mop the bit I dropped. Some people also confuse the P sound, like in past, and the F sound, like in fast. Again, past, fast. Notice for P, P, it's a plosive sound, so you push your lips out for the P. Whereas for F, F, you slightly have your lips pushed out and let air go through them. F, F. So again, past, fast, past, fast. Past, fast, past, fast. Pit, fit, pit, fit. Wipe, wife, wipe, wife. Pew, few, pew, few. Lap, laugh, lap, laugh. A few priests laughed when I passed the 4 pews. A few priests laughed when I passed the 4 pews. Pretty penny, pretty penny. Push past, push past. Peach pie, peach pie. Important response, important response. Priests worship, priests worship. Parrots prefer peach and apple pies. Pies. Apple pies. Parrots. The parrots prefer. Parrots prefer peach and apple pies. Second sentence. Put the pot on top of the plastic pan. Pan. Plastic pan. Put the pot. Put the pot on top of the plastic pan. Third sentence. Pocketing a Polish lamp costs a pretty penny. Penny. Pretty penny. Polish. Polish lamp. Pocketing a Polish lamp costs a pretty penny. Last sentence. I paced impatiently, waiting for the important response. Response. Important response. Paced. Paced impatiently. I paced impatiently, waiting for the important response. That concludes our time today looking at the P sound. For more information on this and other sounds in American English pronunciation, please be sure to check out our website at fluentamerican.com and also subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updates on when the latest videos come out. My name is Jeff. Thank you for your time. We'll see you in our next video. Take care.